Welcome to English Mastery Buddy. Today, you will learn 23 useful presentation words and phrases in English. For every word or phrase, you will hear a simple meaning, one example sentence, a short office scene, and repeat after me practice. Listen carefully. Repeat out loud. Let's begin. Word 1. To commence. Meaning, to start something in a formal way. Example sentence. The presentation will commence at 9. Office scene. Sarah stands at the front and starts the talk. Repeat after me. To commence. To commence. Good. Let's keep going. Word 2. To sum up. Meaning, to give the main points again at the end. Example sentence. Let me sum up the 3 key ideas. Office scene. She reviews the main points before she finishes. Repeat after me. To sum up. To sum up. Good. Let's keep going. Word 3. To run out of time. Meaning, to have no more time left. Example sentence. We ran out of time before the last question. Office scene. The timer shows only 1 minute left. Repeat after me. To run out of time. To run out of time. Good. Let's keep going. Word 4. Slide. Meaning, one page in a presentation. Example sentence. This slide shows our sales plan. Office scene. Sarah clicks to the next slide on the screen. Repeat after me. Slide. Slide. Good. Let's keep going. Word 5. Roadmap. Meaning, a plan that shows future steps. Example sentence. The roadmap shows our goals for this year. Office scene. The team looks at the product roadmap. Repeat after me. Roadmap. Roadmap. Good. Let's keep going. Word 6. To give a presentation. Meaning, to speak to people and show information. Example sentence. I will give a presentation on Friday. Office scene. Sarah presents the new project to her team. Repeat after me. To give a presentation. To give a presentation. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Starting a presentation. Listen and repeat. To commence. To sum up. To run out of time. Slide. Roadmap. To give a presentation. Now picture these words in a real office presentation. To commence. To sum up. To run out of time. Slide. Roadmap. To give a presentation. Word 7. Projector. Meaning, a machine that shows an image on a wall or screen. Example sentence. The projector is ready for the meeting. Office scene. The projector shows Sarah's slides clearly. Repeat after me. Projector. Projector. Good. Let's keep going. Word 8. Timer. Meaning, a clock that counts time for an activity. Example sentence. Please set the timer for 10 minutes. Office scene. The timer helps Sarah stay on schedule. Repeat after me. Timer. Timer. Good. Let's keep going. Word 9. HDMI cable. Meaning, a cable used to connect a screen or projector. Example sentence. I need an HDMI cable for my laptop. Office scene. Alex connects the laptop with an HDMI cable. Repeat after me. HDMI cable. HDMI cable. Good. Let's keep going. Word 10. Portable speakers. Meaning, small speakers you can move easily. Example sentence. We use portable speakers in the training room. Office scene. The speakers make the video easy to hear. Repeat after me. Portable speakers. Portable speakers. Good. Let's keep going. Word 11. Handouts. Meaning, papers given to people in a meeting or class. Example sentence. Please take the handouts before you sit down. Office scene. Sarah gives everyone a handout with key points. Repeat after me. Handouts. Handouts. Good. Let's keep going. Word 12. Notes. Meaning, short written ideas that help you remember things. Example sentence. I take notes during the presentation. Office scene. Tom writes notes while Sarah speaks. Repeat after me. Notes. Notes. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Presentation tools. Listen and repeat. Projector. Timer. HDMI cable. Portable speakers. Handouts. Notes. Now picture these words in a real office presentation. Projector. Timer. HDMI cable. Portable speakers. Handouts. Notes. Word 13. Smartpen. Meaning, a pen that can save or record your notes digitally. Example sentence. The smartpen saves my meeting notes. Office scene. Mia uses a smartpen during the training. Repeat after me. Smartpen. Smartpen. Good. Let's keep going. Word 14. Microphone. Meaning, a device that makes your voice louder or records it. Example sentence. Please speak into the microphone. Office scene. Sarah uses a microphone in the large room. Repeat after me. Microphone. Microphone. Good. Let's keep going. Word 15. Headphones. Meaning, a device you wear over your ears to listen. Example sentence. I wear headphones for the online presentation. Office scene. Alex checks the audio with his headphones. Repeat after me. Headphones. Headphones. Good. Let's keep going. Word 16. Flip chart. Meaning, a large paperboard used for notes or drawings. Example sentence. Write the ideas on the flip chart. Office scene. The trainer draws a simple chart on the flip chart. Repeat after me. Flip chart. Flip chart. Good. Let's keep going. Word 17. To share your screen. Meaning, to show your computer screen to other people online. Example sentence. Can you share your screen, please? Office scene. Sarah shares her screen during the video call. Repeat after me. To share your screen. To share your screen. Good. Let's keep going. Word 18. Presenter remote. Meaning, a small tool used to change slides from a distance. Example sentence. The presenter remote changes the slides. Office scene. Sarah uses the remote while she walks. Repeat after me. Presenter remote. Presenter remote. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Online and room equipment. Listen and repeat. Smartpen. Microphone. Headphones. Flip chart. To share your screen. Presenter remote. Now picture these words in a real office presentation. Smartpen. Microphone. Headphones. Flip chart. To share your screen. Presenter remote. Word 19. Conference. Meaning, a large formal meeting with talks and speakers. Example sentence. The conference starts on Monday. Office scene. Many people listen to speakers at the conference. Repeat after me. Conference. Conference. Good. Let's keep going. Word 20. Guest speaker. Meaning, a person invited to speak at an event. Example sentence. The guest speaker talks about marketing. Office scene. The guest speaker joins the team training. Repeat after me. Guest speaker. Guest speaker. Good. Let's keep going. Word 21. Presentation. Meaning, a talk that gives information to an audience. Example sentence. Her presentation was clear and useful. Office scene. Sarah explains the data in her presentation. Repeat after me. Presentation. Presentation. Good. Let's keep going. Word 22. Bar chart. Meaning, a chart that uses bars to show numbers. Example sentence. The bar chart compares sales by month. Office scene. The bar chart shows that sales went up. Repeat after me. Bar chart. Bar chart. Good. Let's keep going. Word 23. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Meaning, a phrase used to guide people to a new topic. Example sentence. Now let's turn our attention to the next slide. Office scene. Sarah points to the chart and moves to last year's data. Repeat after me. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Conference and data language. Listen and repeat. Conference. Guest speaker. Presentation. Bar chart. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Now picture these words in a real office presentation. Conference. Guest speaker. Presentation. Bar chart. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Now let's do a full review. Repeat after me. To commence. To sum up. To run out of time. Slide. Roadmap. To give a presentation. Projector. Timer. HDMI cable. Portable speakers. Handouts. Notes. Smartpen. Microphone. Headphones. Flip chart. To share your screen. Presenter remote. Conference. Guest speaker. Presentation. Bar chart. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Excellent. These words help you start a presentation, explain slides, use presentation tools, and talk about data. Now let's do a short presentation listening test. Listen to each office scene. Say the keyword or phrase after me. Sarah starts her talk. The presentation will commence. She gives the main points again. She sums up. The clock is almost finished. She is running out of time. She clicks to the next page. It is a slide. The plan shows future steps. It is a roadmap. Sarah speaks to the team and shows information. She gives a presentation. The machine shows the slides on the wall. It is a projector. The small clock counts 10 minutes. It is a timer. The cable connects the laptop to the screen. It is an HDMI cable. The small speakers make the video easy to hear. They are portable speakers. Great. Listen again and repeat. Commence. Sum up. Run out of time. Slide. Roadmap. Give a presentation. Projector. Timer. HDMI cable. Portable speakers. Now shadow these presentation sentences. Speak with me. Please take the handouts before you sit down. I take notes during the presentation. The smartpen saves my notes. Please speak into the microphone. I wear headphones for the online presentation. Write the ideas on the flip chart. Can you share your screen, please? The presenter remote changes the slides. The conference starts on Monday. The guest speaker talks about marketing. One more time. Please take the handouts. I take notes. Can you share your screen? The conference starts on Monday. Now practice data presentation language. Her presentation was clear and useful. The bar chart compares sales by month. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Say the full phrase with me. Now let's turn our attention to the data from last year. Good. This phrase helps you guide the audience to a new point. Great job. Today, you learned 23 presentation words and phrases in English. After this video, choose 5 words and make 5 simple office sentences. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Mastery Buddy, and write one presentation word in the comments.